Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to duplicate on Google Forms. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Forms and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find the recent forms and here in the top, you're gonna find start a new form. Here, you can either start a blank form or you can choose from the templates right here. If you want to see more templates, just go ahead and click on Templates Gallery, and then the template list will be expanded. From this list, you can choose any template that you like. So, for example, I'm going to choose this one. And now just wait for the template to load. Once the template has loaded, it will look like this. So from here, you're going to find the title. Right here, you're going to find the header. If you want to change it, you can click on Customize Theme. From here, you can change the text style in the header, the question, or text. You can also change the header from here. For example, I'm going to choose this header instead, and then click on Insert, and it's changed. Right now, if you go to any section, click on it like that. You can edit it from here. You can also add question, import question, add title and description, add image, add video, and add section. If you want to duplicate this section, just go ahead and click on duplicate right here. And then as you can see guys, this section has been duplicated. In the new section, you can also choose uh, the response from here. If you want short answers, a paragraph, also choose if you want multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down. You can choose a file upload. You can also choose between a liner scale, multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, and lastly, the date and the time right here. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.